Cyberbullying. What is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is sharing negative, hurtful, or false comments about a person on a social media site, video games, through text messages, or phone calls. Social media sites, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, and more. Cyberbullying occurs through cellular calls, text messages, iMessages, or applications made for texting and calling. Kids are at risk of being cyberbullied through online video games by other kids who are also online through verbal phrases. Statistics of cyberbullying. The blue graph represents ages 6 to 10, the yellow graph represents 11 to 13, and the green line represents 14 to 18. As you can see from the bar graph, kids are at a bigger risk of being cyberbullied as they increase from age from blue to green. Kids are at a great risk of being cyberbullied through social media, in school, and online gaming. Cyberbullying tactics. Threatening to hurt someone, spreading negative rumors, shaming someone through a post on social media, encouraging someone to harm or kill themselves. Signs of children being cyberbullied. Unexplainable marks such as scratches, scars, black eyes, bruises. Lost or destroyed items such as clothing, shoes, jewelry, electronic devices, and supplies. Inconsistent eating habits, skipping meals, or scared to eat. Crying randomly, don't want to attend school some days, and mood swings are all signs of a child being cyberbullied. Signs of your child cyberbullying others. Verbally aggressive with others. Monthly or weekly incidents at school with other children. Suspensions from school. Increase in new materials you didn't buy. Effects of cyberbullying. Children being cyberbullied. Lack of confidence, self-esteem, panic attacks, suicidal thoughts, self-harming, cutting hair, depression, and anxiety. Children cyberbullying others increases chances of abusing substances, damaging property, and anger problems. Cyberbullying prevention at school. Pay attention to your child's behavior. Coming from school, weekly conversation with your child about school, monthly conversation with your child's teacher. Cyberbullying prevention on social media platforms. Pay attention to your child's social media pages. Monitor your child playing video games every once in a while. Cyberbullying prevention continue. Earn your child's trust. Build relationships with your child. Give out positive energy to them. Be a role model to your child and teach your child how to handle bullying situations. Steps of reporting cyberbullying. Don't be afraid to speak up. Don't retaliate with your own tactics. Have evidence of cyberbullying occurring and tell someone who can help fix the situation. Resources. StopBullying.gov and cyberbullying statistics for facts for 2016 through 2018.